Sunday night. Alien Doggie sits quietly on a grassy hill, holding a bag of bone snacks. Above him, the moon glows softly in the sky. The stars sparkle peacefully as he happily munks his snacks and admires the beautiful moon. But then, boom, the moon suddenly disappears. The stars are still there. The sky is still silent, but the moon is gone. Alien Doggie slowly stands up in confusion. He looks left, right, up again, searching the empty sky for the missing moon. What actually happens if the moon disappears? Immediate impact would be nights go dark. Doggie starts to walk towards the city and notices something strange. The night sky is unbelievably dark. Doggie arrives near the city, but now the stars look brighter than ever before. Without the moon reflecting sunlight to Earth, our nights would become incredibly dark. Just like Doggie struggling to see through the darkness. Nocturnal predators and prey like owl, bats would have their vision and hunting patterns severely disrupted, throwing entire ecosystems into chaos. To understand the effects better, Doggie quickly jumps into his tiny UFO and flies across Earth. Soon, he lands near the ocean shore. But something feels wrong. The ocean has pulled far away from the land, and some of the sea life are found dead. Without the moon, Earth's tides would shrink by almost 70%. The sun would still create smaller tides, but oceans around the world would suddenly feel calmer and strangely still. Curious and worried, Doggie flies deeper into the ocean to investigate. And what he sees is heartbreaking. Coastal ecosystems that depend on daily tides would begin collapsing. Marine life trapped inside tide pools would struggle to survive. But the effects don't stop there. As time goes on, Earth's weather would slowly become more unstable. Long-term impacts. Doggie goes back to explore more, but it gets struck in extreme winds. After landing somewhere safe, it can see unpredictable storms. Chaotic climate patterns across the planet arises. Because the moon slightly affects Earth's atmosphere and ocean currents, its disappearance would eventually lead to severe weather shifts. Right now, the moon is slowly slowing down Earth's rotation through tidal friction, adding about 2 milliseconds to our day every century, and over a much longer time without the moon. And our planet could eventually start wobbling from a stable 23.5 tilt to a chaotic 85 tilt, causing extreme climate disasters across Earth. Doggie learned that moon doesn't just light up our nights. It keeps Earth stable, controls our tides, and quietly helps life survive. Hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe for more.